12th March explained page Indian Express how airstrikes triggered black rain in Tehran. When Tehran residents stepped outside into the rain on Sunday morning, they were not greeted by the usual grey drizzle but by oily, soot laden droplets coating cars, clothes, and skin. On the night of 7th March, Israel strikes hit out four oil storage facilities and an oil production transfer center in Tehran and the province of Al-Borj, igniting large fires that burned for hours. The targets include the Aghdashley oil warehouse in northeast Tehran, the Shaharan oil depot, and the Tehran refinery in the south. This black rain, dozens of miles away from the disaster site, has proven to be one of the war's most alarming consequences. How did the black rain form? The explosions reportedly released significant quantities of toxic hydrocarbon compounds, sulfur, and nitrogen oxides into the air. As rain moved through the pollutant saturated skies over the city, it absorbed these chemicals and fell back down as oily, blackened precipitation. Scientists explained that the black rain resulted from a weather pattern bringing rain into the area, which combined with particles already suspended in the atmosphere. What are the health risks from the black rain? The WHO warned that black and acidic rain falling over Tehran poses a real danger to the population, primarily to respiratory health. It backed Iran's advisory urging people to remain indoors. According to WHO spokesperson Christian Lindmeier, the strikes caused a massive release of toxic hydrocarbons, sulfur oxides, and nitrogen compounds into the air. Scientists said inhaling or touching the smoke or particles could cause headache, skin and eye irritation, and difficulty breathing, and that longer term exposure to some compounds increase cancer risk. Petroleum mixtures contain thousands of hydrocarbons, including benzene, which are extremely toxic. The potential for severe long-term consequences is very real. Tehran was already vulnerable before the first strike landed, given the city's location surrounded by mountains as well as its dense urban layout. Air does not circulate as it should, and pollutants remain in the air, pushed downward and inward. Black rain and the curse of forever chemicals. The black rain crisis may outlast the fires. Scientists warn that forever chemicals, likely present in flame retardants built into the facilities, could contaminate groundwater and become airborne, ending up back in the rain. Acid rain, depending on concentration, could also accelerate corrosion of buildings already weakened by Tehran's chronic air quality problems. In its latest report, the Conflict and Environment Observatory tracked over 232 incidents with environmental risk since the conflict began. It warned of contamination of vegetation that could expose humans and animals to toxic compounds through the food chain.